We're out here boondocking in beautiful Wyoming. Fortunately, I do not have any cell signal, even though I have Verizon. Fortunately, I installed a Weboost Drive Reach RV cell phone booster. We'll see how it works for us. All right, let's see how we do here. There we go, we're getting a little bit of a signal. All right, a few bars. Start a speed test. Let's see what that does for us. All right, I'm getting some speeds. It's okay speeds, it's not the best, but I went from having no signal to actually being able to pull some data down. That's pretty remarkable. It can't make up a signal out of nowhere, so it must be have a faint signal here, just not enough to register with my phone. So I'm also, there goes the final results. I'm also fairly close to the Weboost and indoor antenna right here. So now I'll show you how I got it all installed. I'll start with the interior. I ended up installing it right here on top of the battery box, which I don't use anymore. I actually put other things in my battery box I'll show you in just a second, because I moved my batteries inside the camper once I got lithium iron phosphate batteries. And then the indoor antenna just kind of comes out over here from that side to there. I ran power to it from the switch I already showed you. So here's my battery cave right here. And down in there, I'll show a picture of it. I bought the 12-volt adapter for the Weboost and just wired it directly into my battery system. Normally while we're traveling, I store the pole. We got a standard painter's pole from Lowe's or Home Depot. I usually store that right here. So I'll post a picture of that. But here you can see I have a painter's pole extended about 16 feet up in the air with the antenna on top. I attach it using these clamps, which gives it pretty good sturdiness. To easily attach the antenna to the painter's pole, I bought a cheap painter pole roller attachment where I removed the roller portion of it, so I just had the attachment handle, and then attached the antenna directly to that handle portion. Here you can see it fully put together, and then I can easily screw that to the end of my painter's pole. And then I just have the cable coming down here, and it goes right into where the mounting bolts were for the battery tray. Like I said, I took the battery out, and now I store my freshwater hoses and things, and also my Weboost. See the cable coming up there? Comes into where the battery cables used to come in for the battery. There you go.